Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. So in today's video, I would like to share with you the easiest and very delicious breakfast recipe. So in all the morning videos that we watch in morning shows on television, they tell us you have to have healthy lifestyle, and for this we suggest you this and this, blah blah blah. But all the products that they show us, some of them, the things that we never even hear in our lives. Let's say in the morning shows in here, they're telling about the quinoa. I never tried quinoa and I have no idea where even to get them. So in order for us to be healthy, we have to use the things that we love, the things that we really enjoy eating. So in today's video, I will show you the recipe that all of you will enjoy. So for this, we need one spoon of butter, and then oil. If you have, you can use olive oil. Then halloumi cheese. This is halloumi cheese. It's a Cyprus cheese. If you do not have this one, you can use any cheese that you have available in your hands. Then 5 eggs, boiled eggs. Then you need 1 green pepper, 2 tomatoes, and then fresh onion, green onion. And for spices, you need salt, you need black pepper, you need red pepper, and then you need thymian. This is all you need, guys. Hi guys again. So in this part, we would like to share with you how you slice the tomatoes. So tomatoes I slice in a round shape. Peppers you have to make cubicles, and the green onions also in a round shape. Boiled eggs, you just cut them from half, okay? The cheese you can use. So for the cheese, you can use this type of things. I use this part. If you don't have it, you can just make them in cubicles, okay? Just in small pieces. So we have a small oven, and I'm gonna get it started. So first we have butter here. We will just wait until it's gonna be melted. So when the butter has melted, you can add 1 tablespoon of oil, and then mix it up. Make sure that it goes everywhere here. Once it's boiling, or the oil is boiling, you add your green pepper here. All right, all the green pepper goes here. So first we will boil pepper until it's soft, okay? Guys, I would like to share with you one tip about cooking this delicious breakfast. So when you are having the pepper here, please do not close the top of the pan, because this way it will be frying faster, and oil will go in every part of the pepper. But after the pepper gets a little bit softer, we will put tomatoes. Once you put tomatoes, you have to close the top of the pan, okay? Because tomatoes has lots of water, and we need the water to go away. So as you see, the pepper is soft now. So what we do here, we take the tomatoes one by one and we put them in here like this. Make sure that your tomatoes is not much fat, okay? If you slice them in In this way, it's gonna be easy for you to eat and cook. So there you go. Okay. So once you put the tomatoes, you cover the top of the pan and you wait until tomatoes are cooked. So when the tomatoes are ready, as you see in here, you guys take the boiled eggs and you place them this way. So it's gonna be all over, and once you get to the soft parts, you can just push a little bit, okay? Not good. So
Pausa de.
So once you place the eggs, you just take the cheese and you cover all over the cheese. Because the cheese has already salt in it, I'm gonna use very little bit of salt, but you guys, if you have different type of cheese, you can use the salt accordingly. So once you place cheese all over it, you can place the green fresh onions. If you like any other type of greens, you can use that as well. It all up to you. And at least you are gonna use the spices. I'm gonna mix it this way so I will have everywhere even. All right. If you like any other spices or curry, you can use that. And here I'm just gonna go with the taste of me and my husband. All right. So you take all of the spices and then you spread them all around, all right? And then you close the top of the pan and wait until the cheese is melted, all right? When the cheese melts, that's when it's gonna be ready. So guys, I would like to show the ready breakfast, all right? How it looks is in here. I'm gonna slice it out for you so you see how it looks. And so guys, as you see, this is ready. This is how it looks with all the spice and all this juicy part, as you see. I'm gonna try it out now. Oh. Very delicious, guys. Thank you for watching our video. If you like, please subscribe to our channel. I'm gonna hope that you are gonna enjoy it, and please try it out. If you have any kind of comments, we are ready to hear them out. Thank you. Bye-bye.